20 benefits of green tea. Green tea is a natural stimulant. Green tea is a natural source of caffeine, making it a great way to perk yourself up when you're feeling tired. The good news is that green tea contains less caffeine than coffee, meaning that you can sip this beverage throughout the afternoon without significantly disturbing your sleep or suffering through the jittery side effects of a caffeine overdose. 2. Green tea might help fight off cancer. Your cells naturally accumulate oxidative damage during regular cell metabolism. A class of molecules called antioxidants can prevent or even reverse that damage. One of the most powerful antioxidants is called epigallocatechin gallate, and it is found in high levels in green tea. Epigallocatechin gallate has been shown to reduce the growth of breast and prostate tumors. 3. Minimal processing leaves nutrients intact. Unlike soda, another common source of caffeine, tea is relatively unprocessed. After picking the leaves, they are allowed to soften before being rolled to wring out their juices. After heat is applied to the leaves, they are dried and ready to use. This minimal amount of processing means that green tea retains many of the phytonutrients that are available in the actual tea plant. 4. Green tea is associated with lower heart disease risk. Green tea may also be good for your heart. In a study of 40,530 Japanese individuals followed over 7 years, drinking 3 to 4 cups of green tea per day was associated with a 31% lower risk of dying of cardiovascular disease. 5. It may rev up your metabolism, helping you lose weight. The phytonutrients in green tea may also help you lose weight and keep it off. Drinking catechin-rich green tea significantly reduced body weight. 6. Green tea balances your ratio of good and bad cholesterol. Not all cholesterol is bad for you. Low-density lipoprotein, LDL, cholesterol is associated with cardiovascular risk, while high-density lipoprotein, HDL, cholesterol could actually protect you against heart disease. Although the exact mechanisms of this effect are unknown, the phytonutrients in green tea appear to be connected to balanced LDL and HDL cholesterol levels, helping to keep them in a healthy range. 7. Green tea may help you chill out. Green tea contains L-theanine. It sends signals to neurons. L-theanine appears to increase alpha wave generation in the human brain, signaling a state of relaxation. 8. It may protect your brain against Alzheimer's disease. Alzheimer's disease is characterized by profound changes in memory and thinking abilities. Antioxidants in green tea appear to reduce the likelihood that you will develop Alzheimer's disease. 9. It may also provide protection against Parkinson's disease. Parkinson's disease is a condition that affects movement and fine motor control. Green tea may protect against cell injury caused by neurotoxins while promoting the survival of healthy cells. 10. Drinking green tea keeps your mouth healthy. Your mouth is a breeding ground for bacteria. Green tea has natural antibiotic and antifungal properties. In fact, growing evidence suggests that drinking green tea could protect against cavities and bad breath. 11. Green tea compounds could fight against MRSA. MRSA is a strain of antibiotic-resistant bacteria that is often transmitted in healthcare settings. MRSA is not easily treated with antibiotics. Thus, green tea may be helpful in the fight against MRSA. 12. Drinking green tea may stabilize blood sugar levels. The flavonoids in green tea decrease the liver's glucose production. This means that your body regulates blood sugar more effectively, keeping your glucose levels within a healthy range. 13. Green tea can lower your risk of type 2 diabetes. Drinking green tea could lower your risk. Compared to those who drank 1 cup per week, participants who drank more than 6 cups of tea per day had an astonishing 33% lower risk of type 2 diabetes. 14. The fluoride in green tea promotes healthy teeth. Green tea contains fluoride, the mineral that is added to the water supply to support stronger dental health. Small increases in the amount of fluoride can prevent bacteria from attacking teeth. 15. Green tea keeps bones strong. Loss of bone strength is a major health problem, particularly for women, who are at high risk for osteoporosis. The green tea may increase bone mass, protecting bone tissue from damage. 16. Antioxidants in green tea boost the immune system. In a randomized controlled trial, 32% fewer participants taking green tea extract developed cold or flu symptoms compared to a placebo control group. 17. Green tea keeps you looking youthful. Not only is green tea good for your physical health, but it could also keep you looking great. Beauty experts commonly use green tea products for their anti-inflammatory effects. 18. Green tea can help you reduce your sugar intake. Green tea is a healthy choice for those worried about added sugars, because it naturally contains 0 grams of sugar. Compared to soda and fruit juice, green tea is the healthier choice. 19. Green tea can boost your productivity. As a mild stimulant, green tea can help you concentrate better. If you are feeling a mid-afternoon slump, brew yourself a cup of green tea to perk yourself up and enhance your productivity. 20. Green tea is connected to longer life. The health benefits of green tea mean that it may help you live longer. Drinking 3 or 4 cups of tea each day lowered risk of mortality by 5% for men and 18% for women.